Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa ating 46 square meter, 2 bedroom with 2 bathroom na. Dito sa kinatatayuan ko ang ating living area kung saan pwede kang maglagay dito ng sofa bed mo. You can also put your center table here, and this area naman pwede mong ilagay ang iyong home theater. Pwede ka mag-wall mount dito ng TV at meron tayong provision para sa ating aircon. And see, ang ganda ng ating window dito to maximize the view facing Ortigas yan. And on my side is our kitchen area. Meron na tong upper and lower cabinet. Granite-tile na yung kanyang kitchen top. Dito pwede kang magdagdag ng additional cabinet mo to cover yung ating provision sa range hood. Dito sa kabilang side mo, yung ating provision for refrigerator. Dito pwede kang maglagay ng mga shelves para sa storage mo ng food. Andito tayo ngayon sa ating master's bedroom at ang maganda rito, napakalawak niya, kasya ang kanyang queen or king size bed. Maganda rin yung kanyang ventilation, wide yung ating window to maximize the view, also facing Ortigas. Dito naman yung ating provision for aircon. Dito sa gilid ko, pwede kang maglagay ng yung built-in cabinet. What I love about this master's bedroom, meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. Dito sa ating shower area, meron na yung rain-type shower head. You can also put your glass door for separation. Meron ka ng bowl dito. For security purposes, meron din tong sprinkler and smoke detector. Meron na tong lavatory. You can add up your under cabinet here. You can also put your shelves here para sa mga towels and detergents. And you can also have your mirror here. Punta na naman tayo sa ating susunod na room. Dito sa ating isang room, kasya din ang ating king and queen size bed. At ang maganda dito, meron na rin siyang good ventilation with wide window to maximize the view facing Ortigas na rin yan. Meron na rin tong abang for your built-in cabinet. At ito ang ating common toilet and bath. Dito sa ating common toilet and bath, meron na rin tong rain-type shower head. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng glass door. Dito pwede ka maglagay ng shelves. And also, you can also put your under cabinet for your storage. Meron na rin tong provision sa ating washing machine. Once again, this is Shasha Misalas, your trusted agent. If you are interested to have your rent-to-own condo this year, message or call me to this number and I will help and guide you on how you're gonna have your condo property this year 2025. See you soon!